Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we will be doing the battery drain test of the iQOO Z10. So we have the iQOO Z10 with us. So we have done the charging test, and you also might have watched the camera review. Now a lot of people are asking about the battery drain test of this massive battery, 7,300 milliamp hour battery. That's probably one of the largest in this price segment. And iQOO Z10 comes with 90 volt charging as well. So we have already done the charging test. So how long does the 7,300 milliamp hour battery last? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So the battery drain test, we'll break it down into 2 days. Probably one first day we'll try Instagram, YouTube and social networking app, both in Wi-Fi mode as well as 5G mode. So it's a mixed usage. We'll use both 5G as well as Wi-Fi network. We'll use the social networking apps like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We'll play reels, we'll do camera usage, we'll do a bit of gaming, then we'll do some browsing, everything we'll do, and then we'll also see the battery drain overnight. So we'll continue the battery drain test tomorrow in the Wi-Fi network enabled. So let's also see how much of battery drain happens in the idle time. So everything we'll do, and finally we'll see how much of battery drain or how much time, screen on time does it get. Now again, before going into the video, I'd like to remind our viewers that this is just an approximate test. This may not be the exact test. Probably you will get slightly lesser values than what we get, because it depends upon user to user. If you play a lot of games, then the battery will drain faster. If you're not gaming, you will have more battery. Social networking apps generally don't take up a lot of battery. So it depends upon user to user. This is just an approximate idea about the battery drain. It may not be the exact one you will get. So that's the disclaimer before going into the video. So before going, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's start the battery drain test of the iQOO Z10. So now we are going to start the battery drain test of the iQOO Z10. So you can see here, iQOO Z10, we have the 12 GB RAM variant, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, and you can see that the battery right now is 100%. So let's disconnect the device from the charger, and we'll start the timer. So we are starting off the timer. So first let's use Instagram on Wi-Fi. So this is Instagram right now. We are going to use this on Wi-Fi for the first time. So we are starting off with Instagram usage on Wi-Fi network. So we'll use both Wi-Fi and 5G network, because when we are going out, we generally use 5G network. So it's a mixed usage. So first hour we'll use or we'll watch Instagram reels on Wi-Fi network, and let's see how much battery drain happens. And at the end of 1 hour of Instagram usage, we have 96% battery on Wi-Fi. So 4% battery drain happened in 1 hour of Instagram on Wi-Fi. Next, let's move on to Instagram on 5G network. So if you're going around outside, we use 5G network. So Instagram on 5G network, and at the end of 1 hour, we have 91% battery remaining. That's 2 hours completed, and we have 91% battery. Next, let's go to YouTube app, one platform where we watch a lot of videos. So first round we'll use YouTube on Wi-Fi network, and then we'll go to 5G network. So Wi-Fi, 1 hour of YouTube streaming, we have 85% of the battery remaining. So that's pretty good actually. Next, let's go to YouTube streaming on 5G network. So 1 hour of YouTube streaming on 5G network, and at the end of 4 hours, we have 80% battery still remaining. That's impressive performance. 4 hours have been completed, 2 hours on Wi-Fi, 2 hours on 5G. We have 80% battery. Next, let's use the camera for some time. One app which we use a lot, we use camera outdoor, indoor. So mixed usage, 1.5 hours of camera usage, both on Wi-Fi as well as 5G network. We have 59% battery remaining. So 21% drop in 1.5 hours of camera usage on the iQOO Z10. Next, let's use Facebook app. We'll watch some videos on Facebook using the Wi-Fi network, and at the end of half an hour of Facebook usage, we have 56% battery remaining. So now 6 hours of continuous usage is completed, and we still have more than 50% battery remaining. Next, let's go to gaming. So gaming is one thing we do on our smartphone. So we'll use Wi-Fi for gaming because that will give more stable performance. So 1 hour of gaming, Asphalt Unite as well as BGMI, and 1 hour of gaming we get 46% battery drain. That means 10% battery drain in 1 hour of Wi-Fi usage gaming. Now after gaming we'll use Twitter on 5G network for almost 1 hour, and let's see, we'll watch some videos on Twitter, and at the end of 1 hour of Twitter usage the battery was at around 40%. So now we have completed 8 hours in total. 8 hours we have 40% battery still remaining. Next, let's go to Instagram usage once again on Wi-Fi. So 1 hour of Instagram reels on Wi-Fi, and at the end of 1 hour we have 32% battery still remaining. That means now 9 hours completed and still we have 32% battery. So at this point of time we'll stop the battery drain test. We'll wait for tomorrow because we'll see how much of battery drain happens in ideal condition. That means in the next probably 8 to 9 hours how much battery drain happens in ideal. So we'll continue the test tomorrow. So now the battery is at 32% and we'll continue tomorrow. So now we are starting the test again. You can see that now the battery is at 30%, so just 2% drop in idle. So that's the drop happened on the iQOO Z10. So let's continue the test. So first we'll stream YouTube on Wi-Fi, and at the end of 1 hour of YouTube streaming on Wi-Fi we have 24% battery remaining. So 10 hours completed, 24% battery still remain. Next, let's go to YouTube streaming once again on 5G network, and at the end of 1 hour of YouTube streaming on 5G network we have 20% battery remaining. Let's go back to Instagram usage once again. We'll stream in Wi-Fi as well as 5G network. So first Instagram on Wi-Fi network, we have at the end of 1 hour we have around 15% battery remaining. So continuing Instagram on 5G network, and at the end of another hour we have 9% battery remaining. So right now we have completed 13 hours of usage and still we have 9% battery. And in the final stage we are going to use a camera app to record 4K videos and see how much time it completes before the battery drains out completely. So you can see that now at the end of 13 hours and 51 minutes you can see that the battery is completely drained out. So 13 hours 51 minutes is what it took for the iQOO Z10's massive 7300 mAh battery to drain from 100 to 0%. So that's the battery drain test. So we are reminding our viewers once again that this is not a completely accurate test. It depends upon whatever app you are using. Right now we have used Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, then gaming, camera usage, then idle battery drain. All these things combined we used in Wi-Fi as well as 5G network. So it depends upon user to user, but on an average you can get somewhere around 11 to 12 hours of battery screen on time with this device. That's pretty much evident from our testing. So that was the battery drain test. We have used almost 5.5 to 6 hours on 5G network, and rest of the 13 hours was on Wi-Fi network. So what do you guys think about this battery drain on the iQOO Z10? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.